Hello learners. Welcome back to Lighthouse Alchemy, your guide to mastering ERP with clarity and confidence. In our previous videos, we explored incoming quality control, production quality control. Today, we'll discuss the final process of the quality control module, stock quality control, commonly known as stock QC. Let's understand why quality verification is important even after materials are already available in stock. Section 1. What is stock QC? Most people think quality checks are required only when material is received or produced. However, in many organizations, materials may remain in stock for long periods before being consumed or dispatched. During this time, quality conditions may change, or organizations may need to perform additional inspections before using the material. This process is known as stock quality control. In simple terms, stock QC is the process of performing quality inspections on materials that are already available in inventory. Section 2. Why is stock QC important? Let's consider a simple example. Suppose a batch of material was received and approved several months ago. Before issuing that material to production, the organization may want to verify whether the material still meets quality standards, whether any deterioration has occurred, whether the material is suitable for use. Similarly, utility items and regularly consumed materials may also require periodic quality checks. This helps organizations maintain consistent quality and avoid unexpected issues. Section 3. How does stock QC work? Let's understand the process step by step. Step 1. Select material from stock. The quality team identifies the material or batch available in inventory that requires inspection. The material may originate from purchased stock, production stock, utility items, existing inventory batches. Step 2. Perform quality tests. The selected material is inspected using predefined quality parameters. Different types of tests can be performed, such as physical tests, chemical tests, visual inspections, depending on the product and business requirements. Step 3. Record test results. The inspection results are recorded and compared against predefined quality standards. The system helps determine whether the material meets the required specifications. Step 4. Quality status identification. Based on the results, the material can be classified as OK quantity, rejected quantity, rework quantity, rectification quantity. This helps organizations take the appropriate action before the material is consumed or dispatched. Section 4. Business benefits. Stock QC helps organizations monitor inventory quality continuously, prevent usage of substandard materials, reduce production and dispatch risks, maintain accurate quality records, improve inventory control, support better quality decisions. Section 5. Real-world example. Let's take a practical example. A manufacturing company has raw materials stored in inventory for several months. Before issuing the material to production, the quality team performs stock QC. The material is inspected, test results are recorded, and the quality status is verified. If the material meets the required standards, it is approved for use. If any issues are identified, corrective action can be taken before production begins. This helps prevent quality problems later in the manufacturing process. Section 6. Summary. Let's recap. What is stock quality control? Why stock materials require inspection? Types of quality tests performed. Quality status classification. Benefits for inventory and production management. Stock QC helps organizations ensure that materials stored in inventory continue to meet quality standards before they are used in business operations. If this video helped you understand the fundamentals of stock quality control, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments. We're always here to help. Through Stock QC, organizations can continuously monitor the quality of materials stored in inventory, helping ensure that only suitable materials are used in production or dispatched to customers. In our upcoming videos, we'll continue exploring more important quality control processes. Next, we'll understand outgoing quality control and see how organizations verify the quality of finished goods before they are dispatched to customers. Until then, keep learning, keep growing, and let Lighthouse ERP be your partner in business excellence.